What's the deal, you guys? CEO MK back another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to build out a strong credit report in order to hit all required data points for high-end funding in the future. Number one, you want to go ahead and update your personal information. This could be a variation of your name, date of birth, or addresses. When you update this information, a lot of the accounts that were associated with those names, date of births, or addresses will probably fall off of your credit report. What you want to ensure is if you have any open accounts with any creditors and you want to change the name or addresses, call those creditors first before you update your personal information in order to ensure those accounts do not get closed. Number two, opting out of secondary agencies in order to ensure that your information is unverifiable once you've sent out your disputes to the three main credit bureaus. These companies range from SageStream, Innovis, LexisNexis, or CoreLogic. Number three, understanding how to write dispute letters to the three main credit bureaus to get inaccurate information removed from your credit report in order for your score to start increasing. Number 3 and 4 run simultaneously. Once you're in the process of disputing all the inaccurate information from your credit report and getting accounts removed, you want to go ahead and add self-building trade lines called primary accounts onto your credit report. This could be anything from Rental Karma, New Coast Direct, My Jewelers Club, or Swap a Lease if you're trying to rebuild out your credit report with strong data points. Number 5, obtaining at least 2 to 3 secured loans for $3,000 to $10,000. This is going to ensure that you have 3 primary accounts ranging from $3,000 to $10,000 to meet all data points required for high-end credit cards once you've gotten approved for the future. Number 5, obtaining at least 2 to 3 high-end secured loans for $3,000 to $10,000 to ensure that you meet all required data points for high-end credit cards in the future. Lastly, before you add your trade lines, you want to ensure that you have at least 12 positive accounts reporting on your credit report, with at least 3 of these accounts being in the $10,000 range to ensure that you're getting high-limit credit cards. Once you've added your trade lines, you want to add at least 2 to 3 seasoned trade lines with at least 6-year history and at least a balance of $20,000 on those credit cards. This will ensure that you're at least getting approved for any credit cards for $5,000 and above to guarantee that you're getting that funding of $20,000 to $150,000 with only 5 to 6 credit cards.